Are you looking for a seamless way to convert Outlook PST files to Apple Mail's EMLX format? Welcome to WholeClear PST to EMLX Converter offers a fast, secure, and user-friendly solution for exporting your Outlook data with complete accuracy. Key features of WholeClear PST to EMLX Converter. Convert Outlook to Apple Mail. Effortlessly migrate PST files to the EMLX format, fully compatible with Apple Mail. Preview emails before conversion. Built-in viewer lets you verify email contents before processing. Selective file or folder conversion. Choose to convert entire folders or specific PST files with ease. 100% assured conversion. Maintains original folder structure, email formatting, and metadata. No data loss, no corruption. How to convert PST to EMLX. Step 1. Download and launch the WholeClear PST to EMLX Converter on your computer. Step 2. Select PST as the source file format. Step 3. Choose between file mode or folder mode to upload your PST files. Step 4. Select EMLX as the target output format. Step 5. Click Browse to set the destination folder for the converted files. Step 6. Hit Convert now to start the process. For any query, visit our website. Thanks for watching.